You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 240/89. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 22 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 8/-89. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 240/89.